Hello everyone, myself Trend Have Academy and welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 17th and episode 14th of the series. So let's continue. So basically if we see the level goal is here that the credentials for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level on a port which is local hosted, and the range of the ports are 31,000 to 32,000. First find out which of these ports are listening a server to them. Then the user need to find which is speaking to the SSL and TLS and which don't. There is only one server which will give the next credentials. The other will simply send back whatever you okay. So basically the level goal is that we need to find the next private key, something or like that, and then we will need to go through it and we will get the details whatever those things are there. So first let's go and log in SSH this one, and this will go like this, and the previous level was 16, so I think there will be 16. And if we will give the password, then it will give us the logins. Yeah, so the login is completed now. If we see there is nothing, so first of all we need to check on localhost from these ranges what are the things which are available for open port. So if we will give this command nmap, okay, so there is, so we are using nmap for now for scanning the open ports. This is the SV for version detection also, and this is for a specification of the port. Okay, sorry, I think the space is the issue. Warning, no. Oh, sorry. I am really a fool, man. I am not giving the IP address, man. Sorry, I was in a hurry, so I typed directly nmap. That's that. I need to specify the localhost also. You can write localhost also, there is no issue. But we are using this as localhost because the localhost address is this. Anything 127 point, yes. If we will go like this, it will show unable to connect, but this denotes the local host of any system. And we have used nmap for now. We first entered in this system on the server, then we are using nmap for identification that which ports are open from this range, so that we can find that which on which port we need to basically we need to go through, so that we can get the password for the next table. So this is how CTF works, and this is how a user will need to understand like how things work in cybersecurity and how you can learn cybersecurity actually in real life. So let's wait until it becomes full. If we press a space bar here, you can see 80% done. So we just need to wait for now, and let us open a new terminal also. Here we will need there is already a private key, so we will remove that. There was already a command, so let's okay, so this is not a big issue now, because if we will generate a new key and the generated key and the old key, both files name will be same, then that can be a issue, but that is not a much bigger issue. We can rename it like anything, so this is not a good, but that is not a good practice, I was telling that. So this is taking some time. Let's wait. Okay, so as you can see, we got some open ports which are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So if we will see, they are saying find which speaks to SSL. So if we see the SSL, then there are 1 and 2. So let's let's go with another command which is ncat, which basically used for listening. So SSL, and we will write local host, and then we need to specify this, the port number. So let's see, is this open? If this is open, then we will give the password. Okay, so this, oh sorry, yeah, so there is nothing. As you can see, if there is only one server which will give the next credentials, otherwise they will simply send back whatever you send. So I sent the password, so he sent me this. So this is not the actual server which we are looking for. So the another one is 31790, because we are looking for SSL ones. So you need to filter out this thing. This is just the basic. So when we will give the command, and let's copy this now, and when we will give this, boom, we got the correct one. So this was the actual server which we are going to find. So now here you can see we got a RSA key. So let's copy this and let's go to our main terminal now. So there are things which we need to modify. First, let's create a private key. For the RSA key, we need to make a private key, or you can name it anything. I am making it private dot key. So nano, using this, control V, control S, and control X. Now here you can see with the private key is here. You can see it. So if one more thing, you need to give this command chmod 400, because this will change the private key so that this key doesn't be accessed in the group. This key is now only can be accessed by the owner, like a single person only read. Okay, so let's use this ssh dash I, then the name of the key, private dot key, whatever you named it. Now bandit 17th at the rate bandit dot labs. Everything is written, just specify the port number, don't forget to write the port number. Boom, we got the access. So this is how you can easily access any server. If you got any clue regarding this, you need to go through the things, find those things. So in this level, this is shown that how a user can get access by any credentials which they are looking for. Here you can see how you can get the access and everything using just a private key. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. If you are liking the series, then kindly share it and subscribe it. So that was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Bye bye regarding Trend Hive Academy.